Welcome back to Let's Stud. Careful, this one might trick you. Can you solve it? Before starting, please subscribe to the Let's Stud channel for more exciting videos. Let's divide 30 by 3. We start with the first digit of the dividend, which is 3. How many times does 3 go into 3? We're bringing down the next digit, 0. 3 goes into 3 one time. So 1 times 3 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. No remainder here. You're doing awesome. Keep up the great work. Now we look at the next digit, 0. We now have 0. How many times does 3 go into 0? No new digits to bring down. 3 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 3 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We have no remainder. Fantastic, you're almost there. We've used all the digits. We're done with this problem. Great job, you've mastered dividing 30 by 3. Ready for the next challenge? Let's keep those math skills sharp. Time to divide 40 by 4. Let's start with the first digit of 40, which is 4. How many times does 4 fit into 4? We're moving to the next digit, 0. 4 goes into 4 exactly one time. That means 1 times 4 equals 4. Subtracting 4 from 4 gives us 0. No remainder. You're doing a super job. Keep that brain power going. Now let's look at the digit 0. What about this 0? How many times can we put 4 into 0? There are no more digits to bring down. 4 goes into 0, 0 times. And times 4 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We've got no remainder. You're doing so well, almost finished. We've used all the digits, so we're done with this problem. Woohoo, you crushed dividing 40 by 4. High five, ready to tackle another division problem. Let's go. Let's divide 50 by 5. We begin with the first digit of 50, which is 5. How many times does 5 go into 5? We're bringing down the next digit, 0. 5 fits into 5 one time. So 1 times 5 equals 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. We have a remainder of 0. You're a math superstar, keep it up. Now, let's focus on the digit 0. How many times does 5 go into 0? No more digits to bring down. 5 goes into 0, 0 times. That's 0 times 5, which is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We have no remainder left. You're doing fantastic, just one step left. We've used all the digits, so this problem is complete. Awesome work, you've successfully divided 50 by 5. You're on a roll. Let's keep practicing with another division problem. Time for 60 divided by 6. We start with the first digit, 6. How many times does 6 go into 6? Now we bring down the next digit, 0. 6 goes into 6 one whole time. So 1 times 6 equals 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. We have no remainder. You're doing an amazing job. Keep going. Let's look at the next digit, 0. How many times does 6 fit into 0? No more digits to bring down. 6 goes into 0, 0 times. And times 6 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We're all done with remainders. You're doing great, just a little bit more. We've used all the digits, so we've finished this problem. Fantastic, you've mastered dividing 60 by 6. Incredible! Let's keep that math momentum going with another problem. Let's divide 70 by 7. We start with the first digit, 7. How many times does 7 go into 7? We're bringing down the next digit, 0. 7 goes into 7 one time. That means 1 times 7 equals 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. No remainder here. You're doing wonderfully. Keep up the fantastic work. Now, let's focus on the digit 0. How many times does 7 go into 0? No more digits to bring down. 7 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 7 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We have no remainder. You're doing so well, almost done. We've used all the digits, so we're finished with this problem. Hooray, you've successfully divided 70 by 7. Amazing, let's keep practicing division. Ready for the next one? Let's divide 80 by 8. We start with the first digit, 8. How many times does 8 go into 8? Now we bring down the next digit, 0. 8 goes into 8 one time. So 1 times 8 equals 8. 8 minus 8 is 0, no remainder. You're doing a fantastic job. Keep that energy up. Let's look at the next digit, 0. How many times does 8 go into 0? No more digits to bring down. 8 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 8 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We have no remainder left. You're doing great, almost there. We've used all the digits, so we're done with this problem. You got it. Dividing 80 by 8 is no problem for you. You're a division whiz. Let's keep the learning going with another problem. Time to divide 90 by 9. Let's look at the first digit, 9. How many times does 9 go into 9? We're bringing down the next digit, 0. 9 goes into 9 one time. So 1 times 9 equals 9. 9 minus 9 is 0, no remainder. You're doing an amazing job. Keep up the great work. Now, let's focus on the digit 0. How many times does 9 go into 0? No more digits to bring down. 9 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 9 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We have no remainder. You're doing so well, almost finished. We've used all the digits, so we're done with this problem. Fantastic! You've conquered dividing 90 by 9. Awesome, you're a division pro. Ready for one last challenge. Here we go. Let's divide 100 by 10. We start with the first digit of 100, which is 1. How many times does 10 go into 1? We bring down the next digit, 0, to make 10. 10 goes into 10 one time. So 1 times 10 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. No remainder here. You're doing great. Keep that focus. Now we bring down the last digit, 0. We now have 0. How many times does 10 go into 0? No more digits to bring down. 10 goes into 0, 0 times. 0 times 10 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We have no remainder. Fantastic, you've reached the end. We've used all the digits and have no remainder. We're all done. You did it! You've successfully divided 100 by 10. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome content. See you in the next one.